apparently this guy was at his workplace and must have been on something when it was called quitting time. And I don't know, the story was he clocked out at lunch, or maybe, I don't know, stayed there, but he left with everybody. And, yeah, there he is now. Boom, hits the... So, and, I got a more zoomed in version here in a minute. These are the fellas he sideswiped. They were his co-workers. He sideswiped about 3 of them on his way out of the plant that he worked at. They were trying to get him to see if he was all right, before he wrecked, because he was driving erratically, and they didn't know if he was sick or what happens. And he took off from the road that plant's on, then come up on Dorsey Run, come up behind me. So this is a closer shot of it, right into the front of a parked semi truck. The gentleman that was in that truck was taken by an ambulance 3.5 hours earlier, because I guess he was having a heart attack or something. And so he wasn't even in the truck when this happened. But apparently the dude was on some stuff, I guess. He was known for being on stuff. He was known for doing stupid stuff like this about a year ago or so. He apparently had done something similar. But, yeah, his condition is unknown. I can only describe it as critical when this happened. So the only thing I could say at this moment is I hope he's all right, but it doesn't look good.
Right, you saw in the post game there in Kansas City, the second question is, Patrick Mahomes, and I'll take you on Philadelphia. What do you think about the Super Bowl?
Oh shit!
So at that moment, I thought the hype.
Fucking idiot!
How many times will he be asked that question?
What's he doing?
And the big game.
He's trying to beat the other lane ahead of them and time it, but he's not realizing that this light gets to go afterwards. This guy better be in fucking drive, not still reverse.
Looks like he's in reverse. Yeah.
Fucking retard. Trying to be smart and just being dumb.
Because his name was Roger Barrett. He said he's not well, I think. And one of the brothers actually came to London and went and saw him and called me up and went,
lubricating jelly, so you too can draw up your ass in comfort. Pick up another giant today. Put down the phone, dumbass.
Yeah, dumbass. Reliable, fast internet service is a given with Xfinity. It's the next generation 10G network, and it's only from Xfinity. The future starts now. Now through March 21st, new customers can get 200 megabit Xfinity internet during the limited time Xfinity 10G network launch celebration. California has limited pipeline capacity.
When we can't bring in more gas, combined with the fact that we don't have as much storage capacity as we used to have, in part due to some other accidents, that really put us in a bad situation when we hit a cold spell.
Bornstein explains
God damn it,
does not
motherfucker.
make money selling natural gas. It makes money from the infrastructure. Natural gas sellers are making money, and the owners of pipeline capacity are making money. Bills are expected to stay high in the coming months, but not as shockingly high as the past 2 months. Margie Schaefer, KCBS.
Authorities in Sonoma got several 911 calls earlier today about a person in a
Son of a bitch.
standing in a town square. It turns out the masked person was being paid to promote the new Scream movie. The original 1996 Scream movie was actually filmed around Sonoma County. KCBS News 213. We'll talk NFL quarterbacks in 2 minutes.
If you have ever thought about remodeling your bathroom but were worried it would take too long or cost too much, then stop worrying.
Provider for Medicare and over 500 private insurance. So call 800-730-8405 today for a free insurance and Medicare benefits.